Hi guys, just thought I'd show you this. This is something my son brought me round today. He's got another one identical for his CNC router, and he bought me one at the same time, and it's excellent. You can use it either as a blower to blow away the swarf, or you can use it to lubricate as well. And I've just done a temporary jury rig, as you can see here, and this is going to my old Badger compressor, so it doesn't need a lot of pressure. Now this has still got some in the tanks, in the nozzle, but if I put it up there and then just operate it, and you can see that's pretty good. And with these here, you can regulate both the air and the coolant, so you can basically set it up for whatever you want. And I've just bolted it to the side of the housing. I'll route all this properly later, and I'll get myself a little reservoir tank that I can bolt up there as well. Probably on the side here or something, or even just use this and bolt it there. Doesn't need to be much, but yeah. Okay, hope that's of interest. Chat again soon.